used to think it was impossible to rediscover my city with a clean, effortless ride and level up my riding experience with green energy. Now, I have the City Vanture.
I'm moving on.
It's more comfortable, easier to ride, and able to take me even further than before. The City Vanture switchable E-mode has 5 levels of assist at speeds up to 25 miles per hour. And its seamless and reliable operation make everything easier. With the City Vanture, I would never be bothered with the old, rusty chain anymore, upgrading it with a long-lasting, quiet, no-grease solution. City Vanture provides comfortable, easy riding power that comes along with each and every pedal. Whether I'm riding to work, hanging out with friends, or exploring new places, City Vanture will get my job done without sweating. And with a 2-hour charging time, I'm ready to get going all over again by the time we finish our coffee. City Vanture, mega power at ease.